Today we're going to make cheesy garlic bread. It's a perfect side for your braai. This is Everyday Baking with Grace Stevens. I'm going to start off making the butter for my garlic bread. I have a cup of cheddar and half a cup of mozzarella here, and then I'm going to put about 150 grams of butter, soft butter in there. It needs to be really nice and soft so that you can smush it around. And then 2 teaspoons of garlic. If you want more garlic, you can just add some more in there. And then you have to give this a good mix and combine it completely. I've chopped up some parsley to add in here because I just want a little bit of color when you break open the bread. That goes in there. That's completely combined. I'm going to put it aside, and I've cut my bread in slices. I've just got a nice long white baguette over here, and I've cut about 2 centimeter thick strips, and I haven't cut all the way down to the loaf, so I can just prise it open. Each one of these I'm going to spread some of that lovely butter in between. Right, I've filled in all those slots of bread. I'm going to take some heavy duty foil here. I'm going to wrap up my garlic bread. Fold in the ends. This goes into the oven at 180 degrees for about 25 minutes, and you serve it hot with your braai, or this is delicious next to soup. This has just come out the oven. Oh, it smells so garlicky, and you can see the cheese is just so oozy. Gotta give this a try. If you like that, give it a like and share it with your friends on Facebook. Don't forget to subscribe.